Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an empties for you guys. There's not like a ton of empties, but quite frankly I'm just tired of looking at this trash in the corner of my beauty area. So we're gonna get started. This is all gonna be stuff that is non-DollarTree, so Walmart, Dollar General, Family Dollar, things like that, or places like that. That's not DollarTree. DollarTree empties is a different video in itself. So let's get started with mostly Walmart empties. I have a Germ-X, and this was the 12 fluid ounce one, and it was the school edition one. Finally used that one up. I like having hand sanitizer around at all times. A couple body wash stuff for Connor. This is a Crayola Blasted Berry body wash pen. It was okay. This stuff's like watered down, jelly-like. You know, you mainly see it around Christmas time. I forgot he actually had that and we just used it up recently. We also used up the Trolls 3-in-1 body wash shampoo and conditioner in Bunker Berry. This stuff was actually really nice. I never used it in his hair though, so I don't know about that, but for a body wash it was really good. And all the kids love that character stuff, so he was all about it. Now, wipes. I have several things of wipes like I always do. I use these all over the house. Connor's only 4, so we're still using them for hands and face and all that stuff. And then I use them at my makeup table, so I have them in the bathroom, at the makeup table, my purse. So I have 3 of the Powder Fresh, which are my favorites. And then I have 1 of the limited edition uplifting baby wipes, which I really like this scent. They have like a lavender one right now and this uplifting one, I believe. I have an empty Bath and Body Works lotion. I have the Love 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 lotion. I really like the scent of this one. These lotions in the containers like this are a bit, I don't want to use the word watery because they are super moisturizing, but they're more liquidy, obviously, opposed to the creams. I prefer the creams, but I do have several body lotions like this, and I've been trying to use them up. I used up the Wet n Wild makeup remover, and this is for your eyes, lips, and face. This was $4. It is 2.88 fluid ounces. In my opinion, kind of small. I bought it for the pump, and I thought I could take the cap off to refill it. No, you cannot. Maybe I'll try again later, but as of right now, no, I cannot get the cap off to reuse this. I really wanted to, that's why I bought it. I think for $4 that is a good makeup remover, but I wish that you got more product because I buy the Garnier one for I think $5 or so, and I get triple the product. I have a Milani Stay Put eyeliner, literally down to nothing. I can't even sharpen it anymore, so I bought a new one. This is the only black eyeliner I have in my collection. It's the only black eyeliner I've used for years now. I love it. Love it. And before that it was the metallic black one, but it wasn't even metallic, it was just black. A solid like matte black eyeliner. That one was my favorite too. Awesome. I have a strawberry souffle mask. This was pretty good. Had little strawberry seeds in it and stuff, so it's kind of nice. And I also have the blackhead pore mask, which I was excited to try, but I won't be purchasing any more blackhead pore masks because they're very painful. Extremely painful. If you have any hair on your face, like peach fuzz, like, you know, it's gone. It's getting ripped out. It's literally getting waxed off your face. Pores, they're cleaned out. It did a good job at cleaning out pores. It did work great, but it was so painful. I have some of these Whispers applicators. There's 80 in here, and I really like these. They're just like 2 tipped. You get a precision end and then like a little foam, or not foam, just a cotton applicator kind of thing. And I like them. I repurchase all the time. I only have one this time, you guys, and I absolutely love these. They smell amazing. They are super saturated for 97 cents. 30 wipes. These are fantastic. If you're on a budget and you want to try a super great makeup wipe, Pure and Gentle at Walmart. I usually buy 2-3 of those every time I go. I have the AOA Studio Cucumber Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. Now, these are $1 from Shop Miss A. You get 15 wipes in here. I think these are great for your purse. I do not think that they are great for removing makeup. I've done a full review on their makeup wipes. They're not great. But I repurchased them because after I take my makeup off and I just want a quick cleanse in the morning or before I go to bed, I like these wipes. They come in a lot of different scents, and I really like the Refreshing Cucumber and the Rose one. So I'll continue to repurchase those. But as for any other of the makeup wipes, this is not the greatest deal for $1. They do not do a great job at removing your makeup. You will use 4 or 5 of these to remove full face makeup, which I just not think that's not, you know, worth it. But as a cleanser or a refresher, highly recommend these wipes. Then these are from Dollar General, and they're the eye makeup remover pads. I always repurchase these as well. They're really nice and saturated. They're small eye pads. You get 30 of them for $1.50, I think, which is still worth it. I mean, that's like, I use one on each eye, so that's 15 makeup looks I get out of a package of these. And I don't go to the Dollar General a lot anymore, but when I do, I pick up one of these. They're only 2.5 by 2.5 inches, so like I said, a small iPad. And these are way better, work way better than the Simple brand, in my opinion. I've tried them both. These are great though. And then last, we have some candle stuff. I have the Better Homes and Gardens Sugared Lavender Twist. This was really good, lavendery, sugary, just like the name suggests. Such a nice sweet scent. It only had like 1 cube in it, so I decided to use that up. So yes, I would definitely repurchase that one though. It smells so good, so girly, a very nice feminine scent. I think that scent would be perfect for the bathroom. Now, next and last final item I have is a candle, and these are the Walnut Avenue candles. They're the 14-ounce candles. These are $5, comparable to Bath & Body Works, and I have owned and used Bath & Body Works candles, and I prefer these. They're cheaper, but they also smell better, in my opinion. Now, some of the Bath & Body Works candles can't be beat, obviously, but some of these are just better than theirs. This was in Vanilla Bliss. Now, typically I don't have a huge problem with burning issues. This one I did. The throw was there. The scent was amazing, heavenly even. Vanilla Bliss. I can smell it even now, the wax. I may chop this out and use it in my wax burner, but it just did not burn all the way down like it typically does, and 2 of the wicks got smothered out, and that's just so annoying to me. But for $5, it did burn decent enough that I'm still going to repurchase the Walnut Avenue candles, and you can find these at Walmart in the air freshener section. They're not typically with the candles and the waxes. They're with the air fresheners. But yes, that's all for the Empties video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Empties videos. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links, you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video. Thanks again for watching.